Hi guys, I am Jack Alt and today I'm going to show you how to create 3D text just like this. So let's go ahead and open After Effects. By the way, my composition settings are set to 1080 by 1200. First we'll create our text layer. You can type whatever you want right here. For now I'm just going to write 3D text. Then we'll create a solid layer. Now let's drop the element effect onto our solid layer. After applying the effect, we'll head over to custom layers, open custom text and masks, and for path layer, select the 3D text layer we created earlier. Then we'll click on scene setup. Now let's tweak some settings right here. Just copy what I'm doing and you'll get this exact same result. After adjusting all the settings, we'll select the environment later. So now let's animate this 3D text properly. Let's dive into animating our 3D text. Just copy my exact value settings and let's make it look awesome. Easy ease those particle size keyframes. Then hop into the graph editor to smooth out the curve. Just adjust your graph like mine. It doesn't have to be identical, but get it as close as you can. Next up, we're gonna tweak that bend angle graph shape. Just copy my exact moves. After doing all this, we won't touch the graphs for random rotation and displace at all. Just leave them exactly as they are. Now we'll add the explosion effect to our text layer. We'll tweak a few values and adjust the graphs for the explosion effect to get a really clean explosion look. Just copy my exact values as we go. Now that the explosion settings and graph are set, we'll add the environment as mentioned earlier. After setting up the environment, our text looks really dark. So to fix this, we'll set up some lighting and add a few extra things. Just keep following along with my steps like I've been saying. After tweaking some light and environment settings in Element Effects, we'll now create a dedicated light layer to brighten up our text even better. Now we'll just keep duplicating and positioning the lights until our text looks bright and clear. After adjusting all our lighting, we'll go ahead and pre-compose all the text layers into one. Here I'm going to adjust the opacity a bit to get a subtle fade-in look. This step is totally optional, so you can skip it if you want, but I really like how it feels, so I'm going to use it. Now we'll pre-compose our composition again so we can apply a few more effects. Duplicate the pre-composed layer. Apply deep blue to the top layer and copy my exact settings. I noticed that the text characters are overlapping a bit. To fix this, I'll jump into the main composition, adjust the display slightly and space out the text characters so they have some breathing room. Return to the Deep Glow pre-comp and apply BCC drop shadow using my values or your own. Now we will take both layers and pre-compose them together once again to prepare for the final steps. In these final steps, we will set up the opacity to build a clean fade out animation. Right where the explosion starts, jump 10 frames ahead and adjust the opacity settings. Just copy my exact steps here to get the same look. Now let us check out the final preview. If you do not want to do all of this manually, I released my Elite editing pack which includes text animations, CCs, transitions, twixters, zooms, project files and much more. Go check it out. Link is in the description. Thanks a ton for tuning in guys. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.